Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Mona Driving Training Abu Dhabi, and my TikTok, Mona Driving Training UAE. Today we are with the new student here in traffic signal. We want to show you how to make U-turn and the signal and the traffic signal with narrow island. Good morning, miss.
Good morning.
How are you?
Very good, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine. So today we are going to show you how to make it properly and safely, how to use your hand with the steering while turning for right or for left. Now we are going in from extremely left. See, when end of the island come in your shoulder, full steering left. And exit from the middle. Why? Because the island is very small, so we have to exit from center lane, and we keep the right lane because some vehicles are coming from the filter. We will repeat again. My student, she is from Russia. Как дела?
Хорошо, спасибо.
Хорошо. So I learned some words from my student. Как дела means how are you? Хорошо means I'm fine. We'll repeat the same exercise. How do you feel now with the U-turn?
I feel a lot more confident, and I do it. I get it right, maybe 90% of the time.
MashaAllah. And you know, my student now, she feel very happy and she feel more confidence. Why? Because she told me, I feel I have confidence while driving in highway and the traffic jam and the parkings. So really, taking the class continuously for many days, it will give very good results. Is it?
Yes, exactly.
So thank you very much for all those who are watching my YouTube channel, my TikTok, Mona Driving Training. You want to say something?
Take classes with Mona. Mona is a great teacher. She will teach you how to become very confident on the road.
Yeah, okay. So good luck for you, and good luck for those all those who are watching my YouTube and my TikTok. For the exam. We're going left. Thank you very much. See you again in next video. Bye bye. Good luck.